Hello everyone, welcome to BW Gulf. I am Tanya and today I am going to talk about a very important thing, that is career options. So the kids who have taken arts and art stream, you guys are very confused that okay, what we can do, what are our career options? Career plays a vital role in our lives. Eventually, we have to go ahead, have a good job and live our life peacefully. But if you are not aware about the career options, then the confusion begins. So I want everyone over here to be clear that yes, your arts stream will also give you a very good and bright future. Certainly, there are lot of career options that you can opt for. So all of you out there, yes, need not worry. I will share each and every detail regarding the career options and I will give you a clarity. So yes, this video is going to help you out if you have taken up art stream. Art stream certainly open for all. Yes, there are certain career options, different career options apart from the basic ones. Okay, you can go ahead for teaching, you can go ahead there, in the administration, but there are some other career options also. So there are some streams that you can opt for. Moreover, by taking up arts, we tend to feel that okay, all the attention is going towards the science kids or the commerce kids. Who will help you guys out? Certainly, I am here to help you out, give you a clarity that okay, these are the courses you can opt for and go ahead in that field and get a better job. So without any further ado, let's start with the first one. Everyone, let's talk about the first one, that is BA, that is Bachelors of Arts. Yes, an undergraduate program, everyone. As you can have a look over here, this covers lot of subjects. So all of you, let me give you a small brief here first of all. Okay, so when you talk about the major subjects, English, Hindi, economics and many others also. So have a look over here. It is a full-time course. Certainly, if you are opting for correspondence, you can opt for correspondence or open, yes, distance learning, or you can say open university as well. Now, the basic thing, yes, what are the job opportunities? Have a look over here. Executive assistant, human resource manager, human resource is also there, designer, content writer, marketing manager, BDM or BDE, that is business development manager or business development executive. Also, operations, yes, you can go ahead in operations as well. Now, talking about BA, only major subjects we are going to cover up. There are, see, have a look on the BA opportunities. Everyone have a look on the subjects. Yes, English literature, of course, political science, history, philosophy, linguistics, economics, social work, interior design and geography, many more. So let me add over here, everyone. Yes, sir. Many more. All of you, these are the subjects in which you can do your bachelor's basic, right? And then you can move ahead, pursue your MA also. Yeah, and yes, there are ample of opportunities, but this is the basics. So all of you, if you're thinking, ma'am, only BA, right, in English or Hindi or maths I can do. Yes, English literature, history, economics, social work, various opportunities you have. Now, this one is the basic career option that we opt for. Okay, everybody knows about BA, but what about some other career options and what about some other streams? So have a look over here. What is this BMS? Now, BMS is a course that is called as Bachelors of Management. Okay, eligibility is 10+2 in any stream. Yes, duration is 3 to 4 years, the basic one that we have. Now, here, individuals, what they are going to talk about, they are going to talk about the fundamentals of management, right? That okay, how management is actually there and organizational structure. Okay, now getting a clarity, what about job opportunities? Yes, we work for job, right? So yes, what about the job opportunities? Business development management, financial analyst, marketing manager, business analyst. These are the job opportunities. Yes, you can opt for after doing BMS. Okay, that is Bachelors of Management Studies. Certainly, this is your course of undergraduation itself. Okay, next one, let's have a word on. Okay. So, everyone, BPH, certainly Bachelors in physical education. So all of you, now how this physical education is taking up? You all are aware about B.Ed, right? So yes, we are aware about, ma'am, B.Ed, certainly we say. Yeah, but what is this B.P.Ed? So of course over here we are focusing on physical education that involves the study of human body, exercises, certainly techniques, yes, useful for the maintenance of the human body. Talking about the course, 3 years, eligibility, 10+2, any stream and job opportunities. Yes, trainer, athletic trainer, personal trainer, physical education teacher, exercise psychologist, of course over here strength and conditioning coach, rehabilitation coach, right? Yes, sports nutritionist, various. See, have a look on the job opportunities, everyone, ample of job opportunities. So all of you, if you have your path determined and certainly you are continuously working over it, putting in your hard work, yes, anything can be achieved. So need not lose your hope. We are here to help you out. We are here to guide you. Certainly the guidance will be provided to you, and I want all of you to share your comments also, and you can also share that, okay, in which field you want a better clarity onto. I will come up with another video for that. Okay, now moving ahead, BFA, that is Bachelor's of Fine Arts. Yes, undergraduate level program, duration is 3 to 4 years, certainly eligibility 10+2 with any other stream you can talk about. Of course, here what you are going to study about? You are going to study about the visual arts, everyone. Yes, sculpture, painting, photography, animation, all of this comes under what? BFA. Moreover, performance arts also come over here, certainly like dance, theatre and music. Yeah, so job opportunities, okay, what are the job opportunities for you? Actor, artist, animator, writer, photographer, graphic designer, a very budding field. Graphic designer. Okay, so yes, you require Bachelor's of Fine Arts here. Now, moving ahead, let's talk about the next one, that is nothing but your BHM, Bachelor's of Hotel Management. So here, the duration is 3 years, and one thing is very important. If you are doing BHM, English is compulsory. Yes, English is compulsory. 10+2 with English. English should be your subject. Okay, talking about hotel management, yes, the aim is nothing but of the skill development in the field of hotel management, and it will train the students on various aspects such as preparation of food, beverages, also culinary arts. Certainly talking about job opportunities, eventually everything will come out of the job opportunity, right? Yes, we are working for it. So hotel manager, front office executive, chef, catering service executive, event manager, of course restaurant manager, cabin crew, flight attendant, customer service executive. Can you see? Can you actually see? And etc. These are the job opportunities that of course you are working for. So yes, there is no dead end. Of course, the opportunities are ample, right? So BHM is for you if you are there, if you are here and you want to get the skills of the hotel management, right? Now, moving ahead. Yes, we have BEM, that is Events Management. So over here, all this course will actually revolve around that how the event management is done. So over here, yes, to carry out the event properly, to manage that thing up, also vendor partnership, budget, personal overseeing, all these things will come under event management. The course is of 3 to 4 years, right? 10+2 with any stream and job opportunity, event manager, talent agent, hotel manager, conference center manager, restaurant manager, tourism officer, etc. So yes, you can see there are ample of job opportunities if you are going to go ahead with, yes, bachelor's in event management. Right? So I believe by far now you are getting a bit of confidence that okay, there are a lot of fields that you can opt for and go ahead. Certainly next one is BALLB, that is Bachelor's of Arts plus Bachelor's of Law. Okay, so over here you are doing your law with arts as well. So domain will be arts and your law. Okay, specialization certainly. Eligibility 10+2 with 50% to 60% score should be there. Yes, duration is a bit more, 5 years duration. Talking about job opportunity, of course it would be litigation lawyer, legal advisor, law officer, criminal lawyer, etc. Okay, so yes, these are the job opportunities. Now with this, yes, you have BBLLB. Everyone, In BBLLB, this is the professional degree. Okay, so over here, it is granted to the graduates of the 5-year Bachelor of Business Administration and Bachelors of Legislative Law. So, BBA with LLB. Okay, get the clarity? So, over here, the two major things will be legal and business administration related material. Okay, not arts, right? Business administration. Yeah, duration is same, 5 year and 10 plus 2 with commerce or arts. That is pretty much with you. Now, job opportunities, legal advisor, advocate, partner or associate of a law firm, human rights activist, liquidator or solicitor, teacher or professor of government or private colleges. Okay, so yes, opportunities are more over here if you are doing BBA LLB. Yeah, you got the clarity between BLLB and BBLLB. Both are a bit different from each other. Okay. Now, next one is BDES, that is nothing but Bachelors of Design. Yes, if you are there in the fashion industry, you are there in the designing part, right? So, of course, you can go ahead with it. Fashion, product design, interior design, graphic design, all will come under this only. Okay, now, talking about the course, 3 to 4 year, yes, 10 plus 2 with any stream. Job opportunity, graphic designer, product designer, fashion designer, yeah, user experience designer, advertising, art director, animator, game designer or entrepreneur. So game designer is also there. So if you are doing BDES, that is Bachelors of Design. Okay, very, very strong foundation you will have. Yeah, now I believe things are pretty much clear to you. Certainly BSW, new thing everyone, that is, yes, Bachelors in Social Work. So everyone, social work, yes, we need to talk about a society as well, right? Yeah, you are working for the society and certainly you are there. So yes, you should give back to society also. So talking about social work, yes, it will encompass, yes, field that will aim to address the multitude of issues faced by society, yes, in a bigger manner. So all of you talking about the problems, the societal problem that we are facing, no, and people are facing, communities are facing, you are going to deal with that. Talking about, yes, the eligibility 10 plus 2, yeah, duration 3 to 4 year, opportunity social worker, project coordinator, social educator and many more. So yes, a new field, of course, you guys can opt for it and go ahead in that field, a very budding branch. Okay, so I believe certainly a bit of clarity you guys have got. So yes, I will be seeing you soon. Please leave your valuable comments and have a look on the branches. All the best to all the students and take care everyone. Thank you so much.